You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, which I know a lot of people struggle with or mispronounce. So make sure to stay tuned to learn more English pronunciation and sort it out. So the pronunciation here is as government. You can pronounce the N sound or not. So that's government, government, or government, government. Now, the American English pronunciation generally pronounces the R a bit more, as in government, government, government. That's the American English pronunciation, or British English. You have either government, so you don't have to pronounce the N, government, government, or government. It's up to you. Could you hear the difference? Does that make sense? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.